Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is wash day and I'm using some stuff that I got from Influencer by Deva, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Anyway, I've done this voiceover like 700 times. I don't have a YouTuber voice, so y'all are just gonna have to deal with my dry, monotone ass voice. Thank you. Anyway, so the stuff is called Wash Day Wonder. You put it in your hair before you shampoo and condition in your hair, and you detangle. You detangle with that in your hair. I think that it says to do that. I did it. But anyway, start out with my fingers. Arms got tired real quick. My hair is not even that thick, so that just lets you know I'm out of shape. And I used my little comb like I always do. And then I let that sit for like 10-15 minutes and then went in with the shampoo. So we're mixing two. This is what I do. It's Eden Peppermint Tea Tree and then the ORS Black Olive Oil. If you haven't used the ORS Black Olive Oil line, you absolutely should because it's bomb. I'll leave the Amazon link because I've only seen it on Amazon before. But anyway, I mix these two because they're my favorite to make my hair feel soft and whatnot. And then you rinse it out like you usually would because that's how you wash your hair, right? Right. The ORS one is just super moisturizing, and then my scalp is always super dry, so in conjunction with doing like apple cider vinegar rinses, I like the peppermint tea tree for my scalp because it is soothing. Yeah. So once I'm done rinsing all my hair out, I'm going to condition. Now usually I would use the ORS conditioner, but I ran out of it very quickly. So I've been using what I usually use for my deep conditioning, which is the Kanechom goat's milk conditioner. I want to say it's from Brazil. Also something that I got from Amazon because if I'm paying $50 a year for Amazon Prime, I'm buying everything that I possibly can on Amazon, okay? Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I let that sit in my hair for like 10 minutes. I'm lying probably like 5 while I wash my body and maybe shave my legs if I'm feeling frisky, you know, which I'm usually not. Yeah, and then every time if I'm doing any sort of wash and go, I use the Dark and Lovely Gel Curl Clumping Cream. I use about that much, but that was too much, so if you have thinner, finer hair like me, I would suggest not using that much. If your hair is thicker, you might want to use a little bit more. But yeah, so I did use too much, and you'll see later that it just it def did the job. I mean, my curls was clumped, but they were just a little too clumped for my liking. Meh. Always, you know, use your microfiber towel. If I feel like finding a link to this towel, I will find it for you guys. We'll see how I'm feeling later. I'm gonna do it. Anyway, this is my hair when it's just all limp and wet. Recently did like a freaking what are they called? Quick weave. Oh, and I had leave out and my ends got a little jacked up. So you'll see later if my ends were jacked up. We're just gonna cut them off because that's what I do, because that's just how I am. I usually will try to let my hair air dry because that's when my curls are the best, but because my hair is really low porosity, it takes low porosity or high porosity? I don't know. My hair takes a really long time to dry. That's all that really matters. So, whatevs. Wow, magically, my face is beat, so turn up. Anyway, so, as you can see, my ends are pretty damaged, and naturally, we're just gonna take some eyebrow scissors and cut them off. So now I have bangs. Yay. Now, if you are really gonna cut your hair, I would suggest, you know, using actual hair scissors, but I don't have those, and then who's gonna buy them? Not me. I don't cut my hair like that for real unless it's just random like ends being trimmed off. So eyebrow scissors it is. Yeah. Last step, I'm taking the Eden oil that I always use anytime I ever do any type of hair video, and I'm just running that through my head and shit, and then Next clips is just me doing some stupid shit, spinning around, fluffing my hair around, showing you guys that I'm cute, because I am. Okay, thank you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm not redoing this voiceover again, so if I tripped up or if I sound stupid, that's just gonna be that, because guess what, I don't care. I do care, but I don't right now because it's 10 o'clock and I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. Okay, anyway, so like I said, yeah, clips of me spinning around, doing dumb shit, winking at the camera, showing you guys my hair. I cut my hair in December, right? I probably filmed this video like 2 months ago. My hair is at least to my shoulders now, so it's lit. Sorry this took so long. We'll do an updated video later, maybe someday. Bye.